Hey everyone, so recently we have released a new functionality of letterhead printing. So how you can enable it and how you can use it. So you need to go to settings module first. So simply just go into settings segment. After going in settings segment, just a moment. Now, once I will go in settings segment, I need to go to documents. Now in documents, here is you will get an option of template setting. Click on that. Now, after coming here, please check. We have added a new column letterhead print setting. So I will open it for the invoice. I will simply just click on this. After that, you need to select choose options. You want company logo, you want company billing address, you want document number on the letterhead, or what exactly you require, you need to select it. After selecting, just go below, click on save settings. Now, the preference is synced. I will go back to my sales and purchase. After going in sales and purchase, I will open one of the invoice which I have just created, and I will just go ahead and please check here. You can see an option, just a moment. You can see an option of print format. So from here, you can just go ahead and take the print and it will come in a letterhead format. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you in order to take the letterhead print. Have a good day ahead.